What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a family recipe of mine called artichoke cups, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by dicing up our bell pepper, and we're just going to do it in huge chunks because it's going to go into the food processor. And then the same thing is going to happen with the shallot. We're just going to cut it into like 6 pieces. And then we're going to take our mushrooms, and we're going to cut our mushrooms into thirds. So just take the mushroom itself, cut it into 3 large pieces, and put it off to the side. Once we have those done, that's all the prep work that we need to do. So we're going to take our mushrooms and our bell peppers and put them in our food processor. And then we're going to take some chopped olives. I just use canned ones. And then we're going to take our shallots and put those in there. And then we're going to add in our Parmesan. And then we're going to add in the artichoke hearts. So I just get marinated artichoke hearts from the store, and I drain them first. I leave a little bit of liquid, but just not much, and because we don't want these to get like soggy. And then we're going to add in our garlic salt and pepper, and then we're just going to blend all of that up together. So you're just going to put your lid on, blend it up until it's combined. And the nice thing with this is you really don't have to blend it that long. You'll see here it takes like 2 seconds for all of these to be really blended up in the food processor. And we're not going to blend it up like a ton as well, because we're going to add in our mayo after we do have all of the ingredients combined in there, and that way this just doesn't make it super chunky. So once we got our mayo in there, we're going to put the lid back on, and then we're just going to give it a quick blend, just a 1 2 3, and then you're going to pull off your lid. And after you pull off your lid, it should look like this. So it's going to be a nice mixture. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take a pan. So I use a like muffin pan with like the tiny little muffin holes. But if you don't have a muffin pan, you can make these into like pot stickers, and it works just as well. But I just put all of the wontons into the little spots. And the nice thing about this is it does make a ton, so it's really perfect for like an appetizer at a family function. So after we put our wonton wrappers in there, we're going to add in our mixture. So there were 3, 6, 9, 12. So I was able to fill 3 of these, so I got about 36 artichoke cups out of this. All right, so once all of them are filled, you're just going to put them in your oven and bake them for about 15 minutes. And then after they've been baking for 15 minutes, they should look like this. And then you're just going to set them out. And you honestly don't even need to let them cool at all before you transfer them, because the wontons will be nice and crispy. So you can just pull it right out. I mean, obviously the pan's going to be hot, but it's just super easy to make these. But yeah, that's it. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. dailyrecipes.co is our website if you want to see more recipes. But bon appetit, y'all.